Namaste everybody, welcome to the beginner yoga meditation. This is a course designed to prepare your body for meditation. Are you ready? Let's begin. Standing nice and tall, mountain pose. Bring your hands to heart center. We're going to begin by closing the eyes. Just go ahead and bring your attention to the breath. Nice slow inhalations. If you'd like to set an intention here, please do so. Think about what you're trying to cultivate in your practice. Think about why you're watching this video. Why are you even practicing yoga in the first place? Use that intention here and now. Slowly open the eyes, and we're going to begin with the full yogic breath. With the next inhale, the arms come up. Exhale into a wide circle. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale into that wide circle. Yoga is about slow, conscious movements. We're preparing the body for meditation, bringing the awareness to the body. One more inhale. Exhale to that wide circle. With this next 5, we're going to go onto the tippy toes. Exhale all the way down. Inhale along that center line, all the way up. Exhale on the way down. Yoga is about breath control, using the breath to guide your movements. With each inhale, we're drawing the arms up along that center line. Each exhale, coming down. Just 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Standing nice and tall, shoulders back, that's mountain pose. Yoga is about consciously moving the body, bringing that conscious energy within. Do a little side step for triangle, Trikonasana. Arms come up. We're going to bring that right arm up, elbow to ear. Left arm goes back as you dive forward. We're going to take that right arm, reach it towards the left leg, and find your twist. Don't forget to breathe. Really bring awareness to the breath. Slowly bending the knees, coming back to center. Let's do the opposite side now. Left arm comes up, right arm goes back, diving forward. Don't forget to breathe. Really exaggerate your breathing movements. Slowly coming back to center. Bring both arms up for wood chopper, clasping the hands, slight backward bend. And pull forward like you're chopping wood all the way through the legs. Tucking that chin in. Bending the knees on your way back up. Inhale to the top. And exhale into that wide circle, nice and slow. Coming to a standing position. Shoulders back. It's important to check in with yourself in between every single pose. Make sure the body hasn't built up any tension. Let's do a balance pose. How about tree pose? Arms to heart center. Find a spot in front of you to focus on. We're going to shift the weight to the left foot. Right foot comes to your choice, either at the calf, coming up here to the thigh, or you can take the full bind at the hip. Hands at heart center and breathe. If you'd like, you can bring the arms all the way up. One more breath here. And slowly bringing the arms down. Back to a standing position. Left foot to the position of your choice. Stand nice and tall. Don't lose that spot in front of you. Deep inhale. Exhale. Arms come up. Slowly bringing the arms down. Dropping the foot. Inhale. Beautiful. Let's take a nice wide step on your mat for the warrior series. Stand nice and tall. Bring those shoulders back. When you're ready, the arms come up. Shifting the weight to the right. Bringing the right toe in. It's really important to keep that knee right here in line with the ankle. Straight line with the left leg. Find your lunge. This is a very powerful pose. Always bring your attention to the breath. Yoga is about conscious breath awareness. With your right hand, you're gonna let that rest right here on the thigh. The left arm comes up. Straight like an arrow. Coming back to your lunge. Nice strong position here. Coming back to center. Check your toes. We're going to shift and do the opposite side now. Coming into that left side lunge. Toes forward. Fingers are flexed. Gaze is strong. And breathe. Put that left palm down for our variation. Right arm comes up. Nice strong position here. One more breath. And slowly coming back to your lunge. And find your center. Arms come down. Let's just do a nice slow neck rotation to the left and the back, right and forward. Rotate to the right, back, to the left, forward once again. Opposite direction now, to the left, back, to the right, and forward. Releasing all the energy in the spine. Head comes up. We're gonna get to the back of our mat now. Stand at the back. Hands at heart center. Right foot forward. Arms come up. Elbow to ear. Standing backward bend. This is a very strong pose here. We're lengthening the spine. When you're ready, bring the gaze up. This is an active pose, really pressing with those hands, lengthening the spine. One more breath. And slowly bring the gaze back down in front of you. First the arms. Nice standing position here. We're gonna go nice and slow. Just a forward fold, leading with the chest. Let the hands find a comfortable position, either on the thigh, back of the leg, whatever's most comfortable for you. Tuck that chin in and breathe. Slowly coming out of the pose, bend the knees on the way up, shoulders back, nice long spine, beautiful. Hands to heart center, left foot forward this time, find your lunge, bring those arms up. Elbow to ear, nice strong pose here, really lengthening the spine. Bring the gaze up. One last breath. Slowly. Bringing the arms down. Back to a standing position. This time we're gonna go all the way down, walking the fingers down to your mat, find downward dog. Let's go ahead and walk the legs out. Tuck the head in between the shoulders. Just let it loose. Just do a few bicycle kicks here. Alternating the legs. When you're ready, find a neutral position. Inhale. Exhale, that right leg comes up. One more breath, inhale. Exhale. Do a few more bicycle kicks. Nice deep inhale. Exhale, left leg comes up. And slowly lower with control. Go ahead and bring your knees down. Let's find cat stretch. Coming up to a seated position. All right, this is our base pose for meditation. Find a nice, comfortable seated position. You can do half lotus with one leg on top, like so. You can do full lotus, whatever's most comfortable for you. From here, we're gonna bring that spine back, shoulders, palms upturned. Find a nice, comfortable seated position. Bring the eyes within. Go ahead and close the eyes. Go ahead and bring the energy within your being. Bring the awareness on the body. Focus on your breath. Eyes open. We're gonna bring that right leg out at an angle, like so. Inhale, arms up. And slight twist. We're gonna reach those arms towards the toes. Don't forget to breathe. Inhale, arms come up. Full twist directly over that leg and down. Inhale, arms up. And exhale into that wide circle. This really helps the body loosen up, opening up the hips, getting ready for that meditation, getting the hips open so you can get in lotus, full lotus, working up to that position where the spine is fully straight, the Kundalini energy is flowing. We really want to unlock all the life force energy from the body before the meditation begins. All right, let's do the opposite side now. Left leg comes out at an angle. Toes are flexed. Inhale, arms comes up. And exhale, diving with that left shoulder over the left leg. Right arm is active. Reaching for that left leg. Inhale, arms come up. Full twist over that leg and down. Last one, inhale, arms come up. And exhale into that wide circle. Now that we've loosened the hips, loosened the body, let's do a short 5-minute guided meditation. Find the most comfortable seated position that you would like. Whatever is most comfortable for you. What's important is that the spine is straight. Hips open. Go ahead and close the eyes when you're ready. Bring your awareness to the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Really exaggerate your breathing movements here. Inhale. Exhale. I'm going to do a guided meditation with you. If you'd like, you can follow along with each breath. Inhale. Hold at the top. And exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Inhale. Hold at the top. Exhale. Slowly bring the awareness to your body. Don't focus on the breath. Let each inhale and exhale happen naturally. Keep the spine straight, shoulders back, and the chin level as you breathe. Consciously bringing in that life force energy, gathering the cosmic energy of the cosmos into your being. Bring your awareness back to the body. Your hands to heart center. Open the eyes. Thank you so much for taking the time to practice with me today. Use this energy consciously throughout your day so you can spread the joy with others. Namaste.